Well, I forgot to do this at home, but here I am at 465 and 37. Some of you know I strongly dislike 37, but I'm headed south, and we're going to try 37 all the way down, hoping everything works out. We're prayed up, etc., etc. We're going to have a good time. Me and War Pony doing what we do. Motorcycle adventures with SmokeBomb. Gonna see some good friends, old friends, family. Hoping to make some new friends. Gonna have a real good time at the day stage. Main stage is gonna be rocking. So here's to you. I love y'all. Peace. SmokeBomb out.